Hey there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for a game-changing kitchen tool that will take your cooking to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the air fryer tray silicone refillable reusable pot basket liner pizza baking mat grill pan mold replacement microwave oven barbecue tools. This incredible product is a total game changer for anyone who loves to cook. With its versatile design, you can use it as a pot, a basket, a liner, a mat, a pan, a mold, and so much more. The possibilities are endless with this amazing tool. Not only is it incredibly versatile, but it's also made of high-quality, durable silicone that is heat-resistant and easy to clean. This means that you can use it over and over again without worrying about it wearing out or becoming damaged. Whether you're cooking up some crispy fries in your air fryer, baking a delicious pizza in the oven, or grilling up some veggies on the barbecue, this tool has got you covered. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for all of your cooking needs. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, I highly recommend giving the air fryer tray silicone a try. You won't be disappointed. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this game-changing product in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to elevate your cooking game. Subscribe to my channel and hit the link in the description to get yours today. Let's get cooking.